12th math student, let us do exercise 7.5. In this exercise, resolving the factors partially means by partial fraction resolving the factor. Resolving means here if there are many factors given in denominator, then how can you resolve? So factor may be different types as linear factor. Linear means each factors contain one degree in x variable. For example, px plus q. Px plus q means there may be term of x in numerator upon x plus a, x plus b. Both are linear factor. Why? Because in both degree of x are 1, 1. So how can you resolve? See the method. First, if there are two factors x plus a and x plus b, so this whole thing will be divided into two parts. If there are three factors, the whole quantity will be divided into three parts. Okay, so here px plus q upon x plus a into x plus b can be written as, first you will write first factor of denominator x plus a, then from this determine the value of x by putting 0. Means when you put x plus a 0, then you will get x is equal to minus a, and this value putting in numerator and in second factor. So in numerator, when you put x is equal to minus a, you will get minus ap plus q, and in second factor, second is x plus b, putting x is equal to minus a to minus a plus b, plus you will write second factor of denominator x plus b, and from this you will determine the value of x by putting 0 to x is equal to minus b, putting in numerator, and in remaining factor, remaining means first factor. So when you put x is equal to minus b in numerator, to in numerator you get minus bp plus q, and in first factor when you put x is equal to minus b plus a. So in this way you can resolve the factors. Okay, from example you can see how can you resolve 2x upon x plus a into x plus b. Resolve means write in separate form. So 2x plus 1 into x plus 2. So what is the procedure? First you will write first factor of denominator x plus a, from this determine the value of x by putting 0, means x plus 1 0, to x is equal to minus 1, and this value minus 1 putting in numerator and remaining factor of denominator. So in numerator when you put x is equal to minus 1, then 2 into minus 1, that is minus 2, and in second factor when you put it in x plus 2, so you will get minus 1 plus 2, that is 1, plus now you will write second factor of denominator x plus 2 and determine the value of x from this by putting 0 to x plus 2 is equal to 0, that is x is equal to minus 2, and putting this value in numerator, so 2 into minus 2, that is minus 4, and remaining factor of denominator means you will put in first factor in x plus a. So putting x is equal to minus 2 in first factor to minus 2 plus 1, that is minus 1. Okay, so in exercise 7.4 there are many questions related to linear factors. Question number 1, 2 you can factorize it x minus 3x plus 3. So both are linear. Question number 3 also linear factor. There are three factors x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 in each degree of variable are 1, 1. So these are the linear factor in question number 4. Question number 5. 5 you can factorize denominator. After factorizing, so you will get a linear factor. Now question number 9. 9 is also when you find the factor of denominator, okay, you will get linear factor. So there are many questions. So apply the procedure to resolve the factor, then you will integrate. Okay. Students, you will remember one very important thing. before resolving the factor, you have to see the degree of numerator and denominator. Means here degree of numerator should be less than the degree of denominator. Then you can resolve the factor. If degree of numerator is greater than or equal to degree of denominator, then before resolving, dividing numerator by denominator and reduce the degree of numerator. After that, you can resolve. So again listen, before resolving, see the degree of numerator and denominator. If degree of numerator is less than the degree of denominator, then resolving the factor, and if degree of numerator is greater than or equal to degree of the denominator, then first you will divide, means dividing two expression numerator by denominator, and reduce the degree of numerator. After that, resolving the factors. Now see question number 3. So first you have to resolve, then integrate. What is the question? 3x minus 1 upon x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3. There are 3 factors. All 3 are linear factor. Why? Because degree in each factor is 1. Now, so how can you resolve? So first you will write first factor of denominator x minus 1, and from this you will determine the value of x by putting 0. Means from this value of x is 1, and this value 1 putting in numerator and in the remaining factor. Remaining means in second and third factor. So putting 1 in numerator, to in numerator after putting 1 you get 2. In remaining factor means in second putting x is equal to 1, and in third x is equal to 1. So you will get 1 minus 2, 1 minus 3. Plus, then you will write second factor of denominator, that is x minus 2. From this determine the value of x, that is x is equal to 2, and putting in numerator and remaining factor of denominator. Okay, now then plus third part. Write third factor of denominator x minus 3. From this determine the value of x. The value of x is x minus 3, 0, so x is equal to 3. This value putting in numerator and in remaining factor of denominator. Okay, so this is the procedure to resolve the linear factor directly. Now simplify, what will get? If there are 3 linear factors, so you will have 3 parts. First part 2 upon 2x minus 1, second minus 5 upon x minus 2, third is 8 upon 2x minus 3. Means 3x minus 1 upon x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 is equal to, after resolving you get last step 1 upon x minus 1 minus 5 upon x minus 2 plus 4 upon x minus 3. Now integrating both sides. So on the right side there are 3 parts. First part 1 upon x minus 1, then second 5 you can write out of integral sign, then dx upon x minus 2, and third 4 you can take out of integral sign to dx upon x minus 3. So by 1 by x you can integrate. 1 by x is log x. So integral of first part, that is log of x minus 1. The second part minus 5 times of log of x minus 2 and 4 times of log of x minus 3 plus integral constant c. Okay.